Good morning. There's Murphy come to see us. There's some of the sheep all waiting for their feed. Murphy straight on the grass, even though it's no different than the grass in the field, but he thinks it is. There's Bono over there waiting for feed. If it's a bit windy, please excuse the noise of the wind. Can't be helped. We're just going to start getting the feed ready now. Yeah, so definitely a bit windy today. You see, we got the disco back as well. Still not 100%, but it's a lot better than what it was. Probably have to spend a bit more money on it, but that's the thing with a Land Rover. You always have to. So let's get these fed, and then I'll be coming straight back at you. Wait there. So there's Apple, Blondie, some of the others. Here's Nosy. Blondie there. Here's Cloud. Some of the other sheep. See, there's Big Mama. There's Nosy coming in. You alright, Nosy? They're all happy. They're all good. Spring grass must be coming through, definitely. All these happy boys and girls.
Sitting in the hay barn, watching them eat the hay. So we're out of the wind and you can actually hear us. Little separate piles. Sounds like Murphy's finished eating his food, so I'm going to go get him in.
So, as you can see, that's some of the sheep fed. We're going now get some hay for them. I expect there's some sheep already over there waiting for hay. Normally is. So look, it's very windy today, a bit bitter as well. Yeah, there's some hay out. Well, hay's already out, must be Debbie's done it. So yeah, Debbie must have fed. Giving the hay out to the sheep.
Close up of your nose then, wasn't it? You okay? Yeah, windy today. That's a good lad. Is that nice? You. Oh, slobber. Hens making their way up to Bono. There's that one there, and then there's two in the hedge just there. Slowly but surely. See Yeah, every time I start filming, they slow down again. There we go. Speedy Gonzales. Like a little road runner.
There's Murphy, had another little braid done on the back of his mane, I believe. 2. There's Nosy over there and a couple of the other sheep. They're just finishing off hay. There's a cloud. But they're all happy, they've all been fed. Bono's been fed. They've all got fresh hay, so they're all happy. So yeah, we're gonna probably head off now, because we've got to take Mum into hospital to see my dad. He got took into hospital yesterday, so I have to go and take her in to see him. We have managed to also order the flail topper. That should be with us in 2 weeks, hopefully. So you'll see some action of that soon. I'm going to cut it a bit short here now because the wind's getting up a bit. But please be safe, be good at what you do, look after other people, and see you soon. And remember, it's good to talk. If you're feeling under pressure, you know, message someone, talk to them. Don't bottle it up. You know, it's good to talk. Okay, see you all later. See you tomorrow. That's bye from me and bye from Debbie up the back. So, see you all tomorrow.